Hi, my name is Jessie, and today I'm here to show you how to navigate and use your virtual classroom. So a lot of teachers and therapists and related service professionals have been creating these amazing virtual classrooms. But you might be thinking to yourself, I have no idea how to use this thing. So every classroom is set up a little bit differently, but this is a classroom I created, and I can just explain to you how you want to put it into present mode to use it, and what happens when you click on different features of the classroom, or what might not happen if you click on certain features. So let's get started. So I'm going to move my video over here. So basically, this is the virtual classroom that I created. And as you can see, I wrote welcome to speech. And first you want to click the present button in the upper right hand corner. And then when you click on different blue objects within the classroom, you will get different things. So the present button that I'm referring to is this button right here. So when you put it into present mode, once it loads, you will see that you can click on different features of this classroom. So if I click on this poster, for example, it opens up an activity book that I linked into this classroom. So it opens up a PDF in a new tab, and it might take a second to load here. But as you can see, all I did was click on that and it opened up something for me. Let's go back while that loads. So each of these features open something new. So this one is a book, and if you click on that, it links to a read aloud. So this read aloud is Giraffes Can't Dance, and I incorporated some visual supports along the side, and you can play this YouTube video straight from the slide. And like I said, every single classroom is set up differently, but usually there's a way to get back to the home page. For me, I said click me to go back home. So you click on my little Bitmoji, and it will bring you back to our home page. So like I said, these are books, different videos and books, and each of these other things are different activities. So this brings you to an educational gaming website, ABC Yeah, and there are a bunch of fun games on here. Now you can see that this probably, oh, it's still loading. Okay, so each of these different features are clickable. Usually, if you click something that doesn't have anything linked to it, then nothing will happen. So if I click here, it's going to bring me to the next slide, which is an Explore Giraffes virtual field trip. And then once again, click here to go back home. So for the most part, there will be different aspects of the classroom that are clickable that will open up to new windows and new tabs. It might be a video, it might be a document, it might be a website, different things, and usually there's a way to get back, like I said, to the home page. So if you click something that brings you to a new tab, you can always go back to the classroom by clicking this tab that has the yellow square, and usually it'll be labeled the name of that classroom. So there's always a way to get back. No need to fret once something opens, and I hope that was helpful. I know that this new world is scary and different, but we can get through it together, and I hope that now you know how to navigate your virtual classroom. Have fun with your student or your child, and I'm looking forward to hearing if that was helpful or not. Thanks for watching.